Here's how to gradually zoom in on a clip while it's playing in DaVinci Resolve 20. First, move the playhead where you want the zoom in to start, and then click the clip. At the top right, open up the inspector, and we're going to be changing the zoom property. Click this little button here, it should turn red, and this means that this has now become a keyframe. A keyframe is a value for a specific setting at a specific point in time on the clip. So at the start of the clip, the zoom setting is set to 1. Now we can move the playhead to where we want the zoom to finish. Let's say we want it to finish here. We can click this button again to turn it red, but if we start changing this value because we've already set a keyframe for the zoom property, we can just change this, and as soon as we change it, this button turns red, telling us that we've got another keyframe. Now if I scroll through the timeline, we've got this zooming in effect, and when we get to that keyframe, it stops zooming in and stays where it is. If I play this back, you can see the zoom kind of starts straight away, and when the zoom stops about here, it just kind of stops. If you want to make things look a bit smoother, you can add easing to the keyframes, and the quickest way to do that is if you click this button, it will go to the previous keyframe. This is at the start of the clip. You can right click on this red dot and choose ease out. Click on this button to go to the last keyframe, right click on the red dot and choose ease in. And this is just going to smooth the overall zooming effect and make it look a bit more professional. There is one problem here though, and that's that once we've zoomed in, my face goes off the screen. You can fix this by changing these anchor point settings. The anchor point X setting, if you hold down your mouse button and drag left and right, this changes the horizontal position. And if you drag the Y value up and down, it changes the vertical position. So let's say something about there. Now, as we scroll through the clip, my face stays in the frame. If you want to reset all of that, you can come and click on individual properties like the zoom, or to reset everything in this transform section, click this little reset button here. We've no longer got these arrows, and we've no longer got any keyframes.